Welcome to today's video, where I'll walk you through how to add a home screen widget in the Brave beta browser on your mobile device, so you can quickly access Brave features straight from your phone's home screen without having to open the app. First, open the Brave beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll through the settings options until you locate Home Screen Widget and tap on that to enter the widget settings. Now tap on Add, and your phone will place the widget automatically or prompt you where to place it. Finally, return to your phone's home screen to confirm the widget was added successfully so you can start using it right away for quick search or Brave actions. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with others who might find it useful,